Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, today's the day that I'm picking up my new BMW to add to this channel. So still keeping the 335i here, so not to worry. Plenty more content to come, of course, with the N54 and also this new BMW that's coming here this way. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of the new BMW, but guys, it's time to buckle up because now it's time to kick up the channel even more. All right guys, let's go ahead and get this video started. Taking the 335 there, and luckily it's pretty close to me actually, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna, obviously get the new car, park the 335i where the one is at, bring back the new car back home, and then come back and get the 335i. So it doesn't always happen in this scenario to where the car that you're trying to purchase is close to where you live. So I'm just getting there now. Going to be in a little bit of traffic, of course, but looking forward to it. Hey guys, well, it's finally official. The new car is here on the channel. It's a 2016 BMW M5. Let me go ahead and take you around so I can show you this beauty. So it does have 43,000 miles on it. Silverstone metallic, black 343 wheels. This is a competition package, executive package, driver's assistance plus package, and of course, Bang & Olufsen as far as the stereo goes. Very, very clean. I'm definitely so happy. Oh, let's go ahead and get it home. All right. Yeah, during my test drive, this thing just drives like a dream. It's just, oh my gosh. It's just so smooth. And the power delivery is just, it's just great. Right up to speed, no questions asked. So with the competition package, the power bumps up to 575 horse, a little lower stance, suspension differences, settings differences, stuff like that. So I was definitely at least wanting to find a competition package one, and then of course with all the other ones, that was a main kind of thing for me. So it took like 2 months to try to find this one. That was low miles. Is the newest of the F10 series. Trying to drive and hold a camera and manual shift at the same time. Extremely excited. Finally have the new car to the channel. You'll get to see a lot of DIYs, some projects on this, plenty of mods to come for it. Of course, still retaining the 335i, so I'll still have that, of course, so that will be still here on the channel, so not to worry from that side of things. But just driving home now, and we'll be good to go. Hey guys, well, both cars are finally here at the house. I have the M5 here in the garage, got the 335i just out here. But I'm definitely really excited to finally bring another car to the channel with still retaining the 335i. I'm gonna still do all the same kind of DIYs with the M5. So I have a lot of mods coming this way for the M5, so we're gonna definitely put it through its paces there and really just kind of show what it can do as a vehicle. So the M5 is a great package all around. So with having kids, of course, you know, needing that bigger space, but wanting to, you know, actually one, own an M car, but two, have plenty of space and power to be able to, you know, have fun with it and stuff like that. So I'm happy that it's home, it's here, it's finally a done deal. It took me 2 months to finally find a optioned out M5 like you see here today. So lots more stuff to come here on the channel with the M5 and of course the 335 out there. So we're gonna have a double whammy. I like to actually get both cars compared. So I may need to have someone to drive my car and I drive the M5 or vice versa, whichever. So we'll see how that goes and get all that set up and ready to go. All right guys, well, if you haven't checked out my other DIY videos and all the informational videos I have on the BMW, so definitely check out my playlists. Plenty of good stuff out there on the, you know, E90 series, 335i and 54 engine stuff. A lot of stuff you'll find useful, of course, take you through. And I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna do the same kind of videos with the M5. All right, and then before you guys leave the video for today, let's go ahead and do a cold start on the F10 M5. So smash the like button for the new car, for the channel, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, of course, and then buckle up for the ride. It's time to get this going even more. All right guys, thanks and hope you have a great start to your weekend.